Welcome back to rTech. Hope you're all doing fine and taking necessary precautions against the COVID-19 virus. Here's my quick video on the Hero Lectro Essentia range of electric cycle. So this one's called the Hero Essentia TX. It's essentially the base model of the electric bike, and it comes with an attractive water transferred decal paint. And the electrical controls for this are standard across the range. So here are some of the specs. It's got a nice alloy frame, and it's got some headset from Nico, good brand there, and it's threadless as well. So that's the magic portion of the bike. The hub motor is actually integrated into the rear wheel, and some might even mistake it for a normal bike. So the rear doesn't come with a disc brake. Here's the handlebar, which has the electrical controls. So there are about 4 modes in this. There's a walk mode where it actually helps you walk with the bike at a very low speed, and then there's 3 speed modes. On the right side, you have a handlebar which also integrates an accelerator and a start button at the bottom. Front wheel has a pedal disc brake, and there's no shock absorber. It's a basic model, and this one costs about 21,000 Indian rupees. There's no gears as well. It's got a nice looking seat. And some more specs here. So it's just a single speed transmission. Okay, here's the charging socket. So this is located in a weird place just next to the pedals. And there's also an additional power socket for your lighting, and it's just close to the front fork. So here's the charging adapter for the cycle. Looks like a laptop charger. This one's I think this one's the 42 volt 2 amps charger. I'll kind of put up the display specs for the cycle itself. Here are some of the specs. It's a BLDC motor, 36 volt, 250 watts, 40 Newton meter rear hub motor. The battery pack is 36 volt, 5.8 amps, IP certified. Controller similar specs, and the charger, of course, which I just told you, 36 volt, 2 amps. So outside, the bike really looks nice. It's got this beautiful grey coloring, and the Nico headset is amazing. The batteries are actually integrated into this frame just behind the front wheel, and it's neatly embedded inside. So again, the max speed of the bike is 25 kilometers per hour. Maximum power is 250 watt based on the motor, and it can go up to 30 kilometers on the lowest speed, and 25 kilometers when you put it on, the regular low speed mode with a 70 kg rider. Charging time is about 4 hours. How does it ride? Well, let's see. We'll kind of switch it on. So it's just a power on and off button, and we'll put it on high, the riding mode. The battery is almost full now, and there's a start button below the right accelerator. And you have to just give it a little bit of throttle, and your cycle starts moving. It's really effortless, and I think it does a good job in terms of the way it handles. And yes, it can do 25 kilometers comfortably. So there are other models inside, which is of course the Town Master, which is a step ahead. It's got a 7-speed Shimano shifter, the same motor, better tires of course. These have the quick bitumens, and this one's also got a shock absorber in front along with the headlight. The battery pack is again integrated inside. This one costs a little more, of course. And the control unit is the same. Of course, this one's much more expensive. I think this one's about 10,000 more. The Essentia for 21,000 is a really good buy. Considering the fact that you can go about 25 kilometers, it's kind of in the range for many cycles. I've seen, non-electric cycles being more expensive than the Essentia, which is just about 21,000. Some of the bigger cycle brands cost much more for a regular cycle. So that's my short review on the Hero Lectro Essentia TX. Do check it out. I'll leave the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching rTech. Have a good day. Bye-bye.